show y'all. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I found the like I say, this is the leak. So let's try to get this replaced. I already got some of the caps loose. So what you can do, you really don't have to mess with timing if you're going to replace some valves toward the rear. Okay, just say these. Now when you start getting closer and closer, then you might have to tamper with the timing. But try not to mess with this if you're going to do rock arms back here. Here's my new rock arms. I got two brand new ones. And I'm going to go ahead and put two lash adjusters in there also. Just because I have some. I have a bag on here, but I'm doing this car just like we're supposed to do with Chrysler, which is replace only the broken one, only the noisy one. They came down on us hard about replacing all of them. So now when you remove these caps, make sure and put them somewhere where you can remember where they go. You actually don't have to remove them, just lift them up, because this cam gonna come up high enough for you to get see, like that. So I got it up high. Keep in mind, I loosened this one, and I barely loosened this one, because remember, I don't want to mess with the timing. But I was able to sneak that out of there, and as you can see, it has come apart. It's the one that was noisy. I hear that? Yeah, not supposed to do that. So, since I'm on the end of the camshaft, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the end too. I'm gonna go ahead and do both of these, because surely if this one was easy to get off, this one should be even more easier, because the cam is bent slightly. So see, this one's not moving at all. It's not bad, but it's gonna get replaced anyway. All right, so here's my new rockers. They come in a bag of 8. I'm only gonna use 2. So let's see if I can sneak these under there without tampering with the timing. And come on, baby. Let's pick up a little bit on it. And as you can see, I have it in place. Okay, I now have that one in place. See, it's loose because the camshaft is off the cylinder head. So when I tighten it down, it's going to squeeze, press that all the way down. Now let's get this other one replaced, and that should about do it. I am not going to bore you with doing that. So you know the drill. You get what I'm trying to say. Again, if you're dealing with the back or the rear of the camshaft, you might not have to adjust or fool with timing. So it's simply lift up on the cam in question, whether it be the intake cam or the exhaust cam. Just take the caps off, make sure you mark where how the caps go back on, slightly lift up on the cam. You should be able to get to the rocker arms, the broken rocker arms then. All right, I got this one in. Let me get the other one in off camera and put this valve cover back on, put this hole. Again, why I got this off is I'm replacing the oil filter adapter housing because it was leaking bad. All right, so that's it, man. So thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.